Take the 2 peeled potatoes and shred them on the finest part of the shredder. Crack the egg and put it into the bowl. Take the pinch of salt and add it to the mixture. Now mix all the ingredients. Add the flour. Now mix again thoroughly. Use cooking spray or oil to prep the pan. Make circular, fluffy shapes with the mixture. Flip them when the edges become a golden brown. Put them on a plate when both sides are cooked. Add a tablespoon of sour cream on the side. They are now ready to be served.